Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I figured I would show you guys how I decorated my porch for the fall. So I'm just going to show you 3 simple things that I purchased to make the front of my house have more of a fall theme. So to start things off, I ended up getting a seasonal rug, and this one I purchased from Ross. I love it because it has the red, orange, and yellow with pops of green and blue, and those are the colors that you will typically see during the fall. I ended up finding this for $7, but you can also check out your local Target and Walmart as well. Then the next thing I ended up getting were some flowers. So I thought this looked great on the porch because it helps to give more color to my fall theme, and then at the same time it also made it just look nice. So each of the flowers were less than $5, and then the flower pots were $5 as well. So altogether it cost me around $20. And the last thing that I added, of course, was pumpkins. Now you can always check out your local farm or anywhere that sells pumpkins, but I ended up getting mine from Walmart for $3. I love how I was able to choose the size and everything that I wanted, and it just worked out perfectly for my front porch. So this is the finished look. I did it where it was nice, simple, and affordable, and it was all under $50. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more, make sure to like it. Thanks guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!